Hey guys, Joe here. Welcome back to another video, and today we're doing a new world. New world. Do you know why we're doing a new world, huh? Because Harry blew up my other house, so sad times for Harry. But look at it's night. I'm gonna go back in. So I'll show you in day. Oh yeah, survival. Game mode, survival. Oh yes. And Harry may be able to play with me on the same world. I don't know yet. But maybe. Okay, oh yeah, here's the junk hole. We put junk in. Oop, don't want to go in there. Okay, that's the junk hole. That's my bed. Little biddies. These are my clothes. These are my other clothes. This is the indoor balcony for some clothes. Can't get down. That's better. I'm really bad at ladders. Here's my stuff. That's backpack Bob, brown terracotta, chest, and some name tags. Some furnace, crafting table, anvils. What else have we got in here? We got these awesome banners, a red carpet. There was a creeper there, right? I saw a creeper there. Anyway, here's the farm. These are my cows. No. There's a creeper. Hello. No! No! That's not good, is it? We can't let them escape. Okay, this is not good. No. Luckily, they don't ever move. No. Escape. There. Very pretty. Anyway, that's Terry. That's Tim. This is... I don't know who that is. This is Sebastian. No, it's Timothy. Terry, Tim, Timothy, and the best one of all. Hang on, no. Sebastian! There. Who else have we got? This is the massive lava lamp. It's literally a lava lamp. Because look, there's lava. Ow! A skeleton just shot me. But where is the skeleton? Ow! Hey! Ow! Help! Ow! Ah! Mean skeletons. Oh, that's a very dangerous forest down there. Because all the mobs are even in it when it's day. That is how dangerous it is. I think there's a skeleton in the pond. That's the face of the gods. We have to praise the face every day. This is a sign that says Evil Forest and Gift Shop. Haley Pig's Gift Shop. Oh, it's so nice in here. Where's Haley Pig? Look. Shopkeeper Haley Pig. We got some carrots. We got Shopkeeper Haley Pigs. That's Haley's map. This is Haley's map. There, look. There's her. Hang on. Yep, look, this is a map. So cool. Anyway. This little pig. Run, this little pig. Ooh. And then we got them dragon heads, and we got some banners. Oh, get off me. Torches. But there's no real stuff in this gift shop, which is a bit weird. But Haley Pig, she says, when she was like, oh, Joe. Hey, wait, Joe, wait, come back. Okay, I'll come back. Let's see. What is it, Haley Pig? I want you to collect things for my shop. Also, it's pretty dark in this this weird thing. Oh, hang on, that's better. Yeah. Oh. Okay, bye. Weird. Okay, let's go. Who's round here? Whoa! Oh yeah, the stands. Here's... Now I'll show you in here first. This is Mrs. Staniela, and this is Count Stan. And I'm going to be doing a Count Stan series where you just see his life. Hey Joe, this sand is really hard to get onto. Yeah, bye Joe. Well, bye Stan. Okay, hang on. Stan? We need to feed them. I have got some seagrass. Do not fret or worry. Fret means worry, did you know? I didn't know that. I thought there were loads of mobs in here. There were loads of mobs in here. But they all gone. Mobs. Hello? Hello? Anyway, let's go see Mandy. Because, you know, Mandy's got a nice little pen. You know, I'm quite hungry actually. Pretty hungry. I could sneeze. Sneeze. Oh, hang on. Oh, very glitchy this is. Yeah, I could get some stuff from this farm here. I'm sure I won't mind. Oh yeah, it gives you more than one carrots. Good. Carrots, give me all the carrots. Did it just give me a melon? No, this is a carrot. Oops. Yeah. So very nice. Right. Carrots, 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 carrots. Carrots, carrots, carrots. Carrots, carrots. Carrots, carrots. I can just... This dirt is to stand on when I'm harvesting carrots. Carrots. Oh no, there's a carrot there. Okay. Carrot, wait. Carrot. No. Carrot. The water's pushing me back. Look. Oh yeah. This better. I have you now, carrot. I have you now. Also, be sure to check out my cousin's channel. It's the second best channel in the world. Well, actually, no, it's not. It's not the second best channel in the world. Mine's the second best channel. His is like the 17th millionth. No, not really. His is the third best. Or it depends what kind of channels you like. Do this. Carrots. So many carrots. Oh, carrots. Oh yeah. So many carrots. Ooh, very nice. Very nice. Very nice. How do I do this? Well, okay. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. No! Tim! You know what? You guys can just roam free. I don't really mind. I have got wheat, haven't I? Oops. Also, I need to show you Harry's house. Can't believe I forgot. Ouch. It's just this way. Oh! Cow. Ouch. Cactuses. Ow. Oh. Ow. Oh. Ow, ow. Well, it's not really Harry's house yet. It's the test house. Oh yeah, I forgot silverfish. Gah! Gulp. I think it died. Okay, we need to replace that block. Oh. So when Harry breaks these blocks, these little weird fish will come out, and then they'll attack him. And these blocks, they're everywhere. It's not these. No, it's not these ones. It's these ones. See? Ow! Ah! Ah! Oh no! Oh! Oh! And that whole garden's made out of them too. Gah! Harry likes breaking my things. So, I know, the water. Whoa, jelly! What jelly? Hey, silverfish. Try to get me now. I heard it. Ah, no, it's not there. We need to get to home before it turns to night and all the mangly mobs come out. I think I see a Skeleborb. Stay still. Shh. Oh yeah, here's my nether portal. I'm waiting for Harry to find it. Shh. I think there's the Skeleborb in the enclosure. Oh no, hang on. No, there isn't. Oh yeah, Mandy, I completely forgot. Here's Mandy in her enclosure. What? This is her enclosure, anyway. Anyway. Let's go to bedness. Then we can go to bed. Oh, that's better. See, look, the night sky. This is a glitch. I don't know why that's there. Anyway, I suppose we should, head off. Oh yeah, we need some better clothes. Right, what should I wear? What to wear? Orange hat. Purple, pink. Yellow and blue. Very, very nice. Yes, 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 yes. Rainbow. Oh yeah. So guys, we're gonna do this the real styles. What should we collect for my auntie? Maybe a mushroom. It's very quick to break these mushrooms. Give me a mushroom. It's a mushroom. Oh, I put it down. So this thingy. I can't put it down here, but I can put it down here. So guys, I don't know. Yeah. So let's I don't know what we should do. We could flowers. Plant these flowers. Go around this horrible hellfire thingy. What? Put it on this little blacky thing. Yes, do the bush. Let's take a trip to the Nether. Like, why not? I mean, yeah, why not? Yeah, well, why not? Let's go into this crazy portal. It's the secret portal. Uh-oh. This will be hard, guys. So what is in here anyway? Oh yeah, I put this here. It's quite cool. Got some anvils, that all that good stuff. Got This is Unbreakable.